So now we have everything connected up. So we have our 120 meter fan, got the SSD right there, and we have here where the circuit board that I designed. It goes straight to this HMI screen. That the speaker here. That will go onto the side panel. So I only printed half of this panel, so you can see how things actually fit together and works. Let's get this all fit good right on top of there. So here we will have a mesh, and I'll show you in the pre-rendered drawing and whatever that they have. So let's get this Xbox started up. So turn it on, and then the screen there will be also started. And here you see monitor the case temperature and everything. So you have the case humidity, you have the temperature bar, humidity bar. Here we have temperature, humidity. So these are green, and as the value increases, it will change a different color. We have orange, and here we have. So here we have a Wi-Fi signal. We have a sync button. I'll explain what these are as I go along. And here you'll have the actual time and date, which that I'll set up later on. So but the sync button. So the sync button will have a light in it. This is just a button that I put in, and you can actually use your phone or your web browser to turn off and off the light, because it can get pretty bright, like if you're playing in like late at night and you don't want that piercing light at the front. You can turn it off here with that. So I'm planning to run this for a while to see if there's any temperature issue or if this setup is basically optimized. But yeah, that's basically so far. And I say you have access to your front panel and your sync button, and there's your power button right there. And I think that's it for this update.